My name is Maria Esperança. I work here at more or less 7 years. Our structure has 40 employees currently, and we're in the market for 34 years. You will see that we have a capability to produce more or less between 60 to 100 molds per year, depending on the complexity, on the structure and dimensions, the project itself. We are focused on automotive industry, and within the automotive range, we are specialized in technical components or lighting, mechanical complex parts. Besides the automotive industry, we also work a lot to pharmaceutical and medical areas. Every step we give ahead is to improve our capability to serve better and to give a better response to your requirements. We kept investing through the years, both in machinery, equipment, software, and training of our staff. So currently we have a full automatic electric production cell. So that means that alongside with the softwares that we have and all the automation of the processes that we applied, we are now Industry 4.0 in terms of mold production. There's not so many in Portugal, and the ones that eventually are don't have the kind of softwares that we have, namely Moldex3D, which gives us a lot of support through the discussion and allow us to assure that the process is developed in the best possible way and to minimize the correction loops that the molds.
I'm Sylvia. I work with Moldex3D since more than 10 years here in Frumolde. Since the beginning, we have to convince the people that it's the mainly tool for the design construction, powerful tool to prevent many issues on the part and the filling plastic. We have work process of in the different phases of the tool construction using Moldex3D. When the tool comes to us and we start to construct, before my colleagues start to work on the design tool and conception, rheological study of the part. Then I gave some information to my design colleagues, such as the welding lines, the venting, the dimensions of the injection points and the nozzles, dimension and so on, in order to make sure that we have at the start a good injection part. The second step, my colleagues start to design the tool. The design it's final with the cooling channels and the layout of the hot runner. They gave to me that information, and I do a real study, mold flow study with all the real information of the design tool. In my conclusion, it's a very helpful tool, a long time ago, and helps me a lot in many things, such as the filling time, the packing time, the cooling time, to prevent warpage zones. Here we have an example of the automotive part that we use Moldex3D to prevent future issues before the first tryout. So we did the preliminary mold flow study, analyzed the results, and then we found a big warpage in the extremities of the parts. We did the reverse engineering first and construct all the tool. Then when we go to the tryout, we injected the part and the extremities. The result was without any warpage. This is a successful case of using Moldex3D in order to prevent extra costs, time, and help us and also the customer.